Welcome everyone to this special MCQ series on UGC NET English Literature. This series is designed strictly according to the official UGC syllabus, with high-level, PYQ-based, and concept-trap questions that help you think like a NET examiner. Here, we don't just revise literature, we decode it, challenge it, and master it. First question. Who wrote the Victorian novel, Jane Eyre? A. George Eliot, B. Charlotte Brontë, C. Thomas Hardy, D. Elizabeth Gaskell. The right answer is option B. Charlotte Brontë wrote Jane Eyre, a landmark Victorian novel. It presents the inner life and moral growth of a strong female protagonist. Next question. The Pre-Raphaelite movement is associated with A. Victorian age, B. Romantic age, C. Modern age, D. Restoration age. The right answer is option A. The Pre-Raphaelite movement belonged to the Victorian period. It emphasized medievalism, detailed realism, and moral seriousness. Next question. Who wrote Wuthering Heights? A. Anne Brontë, B. Charlotte Brontë, C. Emily Brontë, D. George Eliot. The right answer is option C. Emily Brontë is the author of Wuthering Heights. The novel explores intense passion, revenge, and supernatural elements. Next question. Preface to Lyrical Ballads was written by A. Coleridge, B. Wordsworth, C. Shelley, D. Keats. The right answer is option B. Wordsworth wrote the Preface to Lyrical Ballads. It is considered the manifesto of English Romanticism. Next question. Who is known as the novelist of Wessex? A. Charles Dickens, B. George Eliot, C. Thomas Hardy, D. William Thackeray. The right answer is option C. Thomas Hardy is called the novelist of Wessex. His novels are set in a fictional rural region based on southwest England. Next question. The term stream of consciousness is mainly related to A. Charles Dickens, B. Virginia Woolf, C. Jane Austen, D. Thomas Hardy. The right answer is option B. Virginia Woolf popularized the stream of consciousness technique. It represents the inner thoughts of characters in a fluid manner. Next question. Who wrote the poem Ulysses? A. Robert Browning, B. Alfred Tennyson, C. Matthew Arnold, D. Thomas Hardy. The right answer is option B. Alfred Tennyson wrote Ulysses, a dramatic monologue. It reflects the Victorian spirit of courage and perseverance. Next question. Which novel is written by Charles Dickens? A. Vanity Fair, B. Middlemarch, C. Great Expectations, D. Tess of the D'Urbervilles. The right answer is option C. Great Expectations is a famous novel by Charles Dickens. It narrates the moral development of Pip. Next question. Who coined the phrase touchstone method? A. T.S. Eliot, B. Matthew Arnold, C. Samuel Johnson, D. I.A. Richards. The right answer is option B. Matthew Arnold introduced the touchstone method in literary criticism. He judged poetry by comparing it with great classics. Next question. Which novel is written by George Eliot? A. North and South, B. Middlemarch, C. Jane Eyre, D. Hard Times. The right answer is option B. George Eliot wrote Middlemarch, a major Victorian novel. It gives a deep psychological and social study of English society. Next question. The phrase, art for art's sake, is linked with A. Aesthetic movement, B. Romantic movement, C. Modernism, D. Realism. The right answer is option A. The aesthetic movement promoted art for its own beauty. It rejected moral and social purposes of literature. Next question. Who wrote the essay, Tradition and the Individual Talent? A. F. R. Lewis, B. T. S. Eliot, C. I.A. Richards, D. Ezra Pound. The right answer is option B. T. S. Eliot wrote this influential essay on modern criticism. He argued that a poet must be aware of literary tradition. Next question. The novel, To the Lighthouse, is written by A. James Joyce, B. Virginia Woolf, C. D. H. Lawrence, D. Joseph Conrad. The right answer is option B. To the Lighthouse is a modernist novel by Virginia Woolf. It uses stream of consciousness technique. Next question. Who is the author of A Passage to India? A. E. M. Forster, B. Rudyard Kipling, C. George Orwell, D. Joseph Conrad. The right answer is option A. E. M. Forster wrote A Passage to India. The novel explores colonial tension between British and Indians. Next question. Who wrote the famous poem The Waste Land? A. W. B. Yeats, B. T. S. Eliot, C. Ezra Pound, D. W. H. Auden. The right answer is option B. T. S. Eliot wrote The Waste Land, a landmark modernist poem. It presents post-war disillusionment and cultural crisis. Next question. The term objective correlative was given by A. T. S. Eliot, B. Matthew Arnold, C. F. R. Lewis, D.I.A. Richards. The right answer is option A. T.S. Eliot used the term objective correlative in criticism. It refers to external symbols used to express emotions. Next question. Who wrote Heart of Darkness? A. Joseph Conrad, B. James Joyce, C. E. M. Foster, D. Graham Greene. The right answer is option A. Joseph Conrad wrote Heart of Darkness. The novel explores colonial exploitation and moral darkness. Next question. Which movement is associated with W. B. Yeats? A. Symbolism, B. Realism, C. Naturalism, D. Classicism. The right answer is option A. W. B. Yeats is a major poet of the symbolist movement. His poetry blends myth, nationalism, and mysticism. Next question. Who is called the father of Indian English novel? A. R. K. Narayan, B. Raja Rao, C. Mulk Raj Anand, D. Salman Rushdie. The right answer is option C. Mulk Raj Anand is considered the father of Indian English novel. His works focus on social realism and human suffering. Next question. Midnight's Children is written by A. Vikram Seth, B. Salman Rushdie, C. Amitav Ghosh, D. Arundhati Roy. The right answer is option B. Salman Rushdie wrote Midnight's Children. The novel uses magical realism to depict Indian history. Next question. Who wrote the play Tughlaq? A. Vijay Tendulkar, B. Girish Karnad, C. Badal Siraka, D. Mahesh Dattani. The right answer is option B. Girish Karnad wrote Tughlaq. It is a political allegory about power and idealism. Next question. Who wrote Kanthapura? A. R. K. Narayan, B. Raja Rao, C. Mulk Raj Anand, D. Amitav Ghosh. The right answer is option B. Raja Rao wrote Kanthapura. It narrates the impact of Gandhi movement on a South Indian village. Next question. Who is known as the pioneer of Indian English poetry? A. Toru Dutt, B. Kamla Das, C. Nissim Ezekiel, D. Rabindranath Tagore. The right answer is option A. Toru Dutt is considered a pioneer of Indian English poetry. She blended Indian themes with English verse forms. Next question. The novel Train to Pakistan is written by A. Khushwant Singh, B. Mulk Raj Anand, C. R. K. Narayan, D. Salman Rushdie. The right answer is option A. Khushwant Singh wrote Train to Pakistan. It portrays the horror of partition of India. Question for you. Who wrote the critical book The Location of Culture? A. Edward Said, B. Gayatri Spivak, C. Homi K. Bhabha, D. Stuart Hall. Submit the right answer below in the comment box.